Okay, so you put your hand in here and you find the bulb that you need, and you're going to turn it counterclockwise. So if you're in the car seat of the driver's seat of your car, you're going to turn it counterclockwise and then pull it out. So I'm going to put my hand in here, find the bulb that I'm after, I believe that's it, turn it and pull it out. Pull it up, and then on here you've got a tab. You push that tab in and then you can pull the bulb out, and this is your low beam bulb. Try not to touch the bulb. If it's burnt out, you can just use it to pull it out, but on the new ones, try not to touch the bulb because any oil from your skin is going to cause a hot spot in that bulb. These are these bulbs. They're H11s for this model. Get it undone. And just pull it out. Put that up there. And you're going to click this in first. You're going to hear it click. And it's in. And then you're going to put this bulb back in to the hole, and then you're going to turn it. You're going to line up the things and then turn it clockwise. So I don't know whether you'll be able to see that or not. Okay, that's in. That's clicked in, so we'll do the other side now. This one's going to be a little tighter, but you've got your cord, you've undone your bulb. I don't know whether you can see that bulb or not, it's burnt out right in the center. You're going to take your new bulb. And that was the difference between the two. You get your cord and plug your cord in first. Until it clicks. And you're going to find the hole that it goes in. There it is. You line up the tabs. There's the tabs lined up. And then just turn it clockwise. And then it should be in. And then after you're done, you're going to turn on the headlights and see whether they work. I don't know if I can do that without the engine running, but we'll try. Oh, and the keys has to be on. And you got your lights. That's on high beam. And that's on low beam. Oh, this still doesn't work, huh? Oh no, the car has to be running. No? Oh yeah, I see it. It's halogen, so it's really light. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've had any dealings with these bulbs or you know any other bulbs. The other ones that I was looking at were Navra, and they're $100 each, but the guy guaranteed them a lot longer than these.